Are you ready to transform how you power your home or business? I'm here to share 3 compelling reasons to install solar with Power Africa Solar, the best solar installation company, located at the new Kisumu railway station. Call us at 0792-245-589 or email info@powerafricasolar.com to get started. Serving Saya, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, Kakamega, Busia, Vihiga, Bungoma, and surrounding counties, we're your trusted partner for a brighter future. Let's dive in. Reason 1. Slash your electricity bills. Imagine cutting your electricity costs by up to 80% or more. With Kisumu's abundant sunshine, solar panels from Power Africa Solar harness free energy to power your lights, appliances, and businesses. Our top-tier systems ensure maximum efficiency, saving you thousands of shillings monthly. Why keep paying high utility bills when you can invest in solar and keep more money in your pocket? Power Africa Solar's expert team customizes solutions to fit your needs, ensuring you save big from day one. Reason 2. Reliable power, anytime, anywhere. Kisumu County deserves uninterrupted power, and Power Africa Solar delivers. Frequent outages can disrupt your home, business, or farm, but our solar systems, paired with cutting-edge battery storage, keep you powered 24/7. Whether you're in Saya, Homa Bay, or Bungoma, our installations are built to withstand local conditions, providing dependable energy for your family or operations. Say goodbye to blackouts and hello to consistent, worry-free power with Power Africa Solar. Reason 3. Expert installation and local support with Power Africa Solar. You're not just getting solar panels, you're getting a partner. Based right here at the new Kisumu railway station, our skilled technicians provide seamless installations tailored to your home or business. From Migori to Kakamega, our team offers ongoing support, maintenance, and quick responses to ensure your system runs perfectly for years. Contact us at 0792-245-589 or info@powerafricasolar.com and experience why we're the trusted choice across 10 counties. Don't wait to take control of your energy future. Solar with Power Africa Solar means lower bills, reliable power, and unmatched local expertise. Call 0792-245-589, email info@powerafricasolar.com, or visit us at the new Kisumu railway station. Power Africa Solar is ready to light up Kisumu, Saya, Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, Kakamega, Busia, Vihiga, Bungoma, and beyond. Join the solar revolution today.